Okay, good afternoon to one and all present. We are absolutely delighted and thrilled as an organization when DCM Presidency School Ludhiana hosts the first virtual Excellence Awards ceremony for the session 2020-21 in effect. It is a ceremony obviously to mark 2019-20 as the Excellence Award format, but then in effect it is 2020-21. That's why I use the word that it is the first virtual annual Excellence Awards ceremony. We are indeed honored to have all the parents who are here with us and our able students who have made not just your parents proud, but your institution, your teachers as well. We congratulate all of you, and we want that these accolades do come by as and when you grow in life so that they become a part and routine of your lifestyle. We are indeed delighted to have all of you with us here today. May I introduce Principal Ma'am, Ms. Rajni Kalra, who is here with us, who will be sharing the welcome address with all of you. Ms. Sonali Chopra, who will be moderating the award ceremony. And we have obviously our able task force in the form of Ms. Shalini, the Senior Activity Coordinator, Ms. Sunana, the Head E-Initiatives Department, ably guided and ably supported by her team, the IT department and the E-Initiatives team. So we thank all of them and we thank all of you for making this award ceremony come alive. Now, to start this ceremony, obviously, we need to invoke the blessings of the Almighty. Other better way to start any auspicious event rather than invoking the blessings of the Almighty. So I now call upon Riddhi Gujral.
Greetings of the day. Now, let's seek the blessings of Almighty by reciting Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvassaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devyasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nam Prachodaya. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Vidhi Gujral, for invoking the blessings of the Almighty for everyone. I want all the parents to know that all your children, even though they have won awards in different categories, will be the futures of tomorrow, right? They will be the ones who will lead your generation and their generation forward, right? So many congratulations to all of them because we have a plethora of awards and we have, a long list of students who have won these accolades, not just for themselves, for their parents and for their teachers and for the institution as a whole, right? And these awards, may I inform everyone, are a collection of many aspects, many facets, because we are dealing with multiple intelligences here. We have awards for students who may be mathematically brilliant, awards for students who are linguistically oriented, awards for students who are good in co-curricular activities, awards for students who have values which are very important, which will help them in their life forward, such as honesty or punctuality or being there on time, etc. Right, so we have a plethora of categories and we have a long list of students who have won these awards. So many congratulations once again to all the students and their parents, and we will soon get the award ceremony started. So thank you, Riddhi Gujral, for invoking the blessings of the Almighty. And now, Sonali ma'am, it's over to you to initiate the Annual Excellence Virtual Awards Ceremony 2020-21 in effect, but for the academic year 2019-20. Thank you.
Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, it comes from what you do consistently. A cheerful afternoon to all the lovely parents and my dear little students who are present here today. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a time to acknowledge the talent of our position holders for the previous session 2019-20, who had worked diligently to be the pioneers. This achievement is all because of their perseverance and consistency.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Tough times do not last. Tough people do. This is exactly the maxim by which we all have so closely associated ourselves within the present times. Keeping abreast of the present circumstances, DCM Presidency School designed a special program connecting class to home to make this phase productive for our students and engaging for our students. To facilitate this, the Academic Council and the Activities Department, they came up with innovative ideas. And the school organized various activities for our children with the focus on honing 21st century skills by relating all the activities to the present scenario. Today's event is one such event which is a proof that we always strive to provide the best to every child so that it helps every child to realize their potential. Today's event is being organized to honor the achievements of students in various categories like 100% attendance award, Whiz Kid, Good Samaritan, Shining Star, Ruskin Bond, Picasso, and Ramanujan Award. I congratulate and appreciate every single achiever for their hard work that they've put in, for their dedication and sincerity. And indeed, this achievement by the students would be highly impossible had it been not been the immense efforts of the parents. Congratulations to every single parent who walks with us in achieving these glorious moments for our children. I shall be failing in my duty if I do not express my deep appreciation for the management of DCM Group of Schools for all the support that they've extended always. Last but not the least, I wish and pray that this festive season marks the beginning of the beautiful year that helps the world to heal, usher positivity, and brings greatest joy and happiness for all. Dear parents, happy Green Diwali, stay safe and healthy.
Thank you so much, Principal Ma'am, for your enlightening words. And we are indeed honored and privileged that you could share your words with us, which will obviously boost the resolve and the morale of our students as well as their parents leading into the next academic year. So now over to Sonali Ma'am. You can continue where we had just started, Sonali Ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, sir. So, dear parents, now the wait is over. I know how it feels that now you would like to know that which child is going to get what. So, I once again welcome you all to the first virtual annual excellence award ceremony, as we had started with the Whiz Kid. And the winners of this category are Aniket Goel from 3rd Aster, David Khanna from 3rd Aster, Ansh Kumar from 3rd Bluebells, Priyansh Arora from 3rd Carnation, Parin Bansal from 3rd Daffodil, Simarjeet Singh from 3rd Erica, Devansh Garg from 3rd Erica, Nikunj Luthra from 3rd Erica again, Karib Jindal from 3rd Frisia. Now the students from 4th Aster, parents, a reminder, these are the students from 2019-20 session. Jasmay Kaur from 4th Aster, Prabjot Kaur from 4th Aster, Ishanya Garg from 4th Bluebell, Shudit Vadva from 4th Bluebell, Snehal Jain from 4th Carnation, Harpreet Singh from 4th Carnation, Mannat Vij from 4th Daffodil, Ansh Sharma from 4th Erica, Kavish Dhawan from 4th Frisia, and last but not the least, Parishi Agarwal from 4th Varisha. A huge round of applause for all our whiz kids. Thank you very much. Now our next set of category of awards are the Good Samaritan. The children who lie under these Good Samaritans are the children with the wonderful etiquettes and manners. Yes, dear parents. Next comes the willingness to extend a helping hand at all the point of time. being respectful and courteous towards the teachers and the elders. Yes, our Good Samaritans are the winners of this category are Kashvi from 3rd Aster, Naman Sood from 3rd Aster, Angelina from 3rd Bluebell, Darpanpreet Kaur from 3rd Carnation, Anish from 3rd Daffodil, Guransh Singh from 3rd Erica, Anshnoor Kaur from 3rd Erica, Vihan Sehgal from 3rd Frisia, Ekam Noor Kaur from 4th Aster, Hazel Gupta from 4th Aster, Anshuman Malik from 4th Bluebell, Yashvi Bansal from 4th Bluebell, Siddharth from 4th Bluebell, Raghav Banod from 4th Bluebell, Divnoor Kaur from 4th Carnation, Diya Shukla from 4th Carnation, Divyanshi Gupta from 4th Daffodil, Yashika Lakhanpal from 4th Erica, Sanchi Agarwal from 4th Frisia, and last but not the least, Riddhi Goel from 4th Frisia. A huge round of applause for these kids. Well done, children. Now let's come to our next set of awards. Yes, dear parents, our next set of awards are the awards for the Shining Star. Yes, the children, the category for the Shining Stars are those who have brought laurels to the school in the scholastic and co-scholastic activities. They are all-rounders and willing to take initiative in various events. And the winners of these categories are, we begin with Ananya Sharma from 3rd Aster, Adit Behel from 3rd Aster, Prabnoor Kaur from 3rd Bluebell, Samad Soni from 3rd Carnation, Yashmita from 3rd Daffodil, Vani Agarwal from 3rd Erica, Yuvraj Singh from 3rd Erica, Gursirat Kaur from 3rd Frisia, Manasvi Singhal from 3rd Frisia, Anchit Gupta from 4th Aster, Japleen Kaur Gill from 4th Aster, Mansi from 4th Bluebell, Danish Abbott from 4th Bluebell, Rithi Gujral from 4th Carnation, Rishika Khosla from 4th Carnation, Devangi Chabra from 4th Daffodil, Ekam Kaur from 4th Daffodil, Manik Nijavan from 4th Erica, Utkarsh Sood from 4th Frisia, Muskan Preet Kaur Malhotra from 4th Frisia. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for all these children and congratulations to all these children once again. Yes, dear parents, DCM Presidency recognizes, appreciates and values the efforts of the students who manifest clearly their diligence to their work and the institution by their consistent regularity. Yes, dear parents, I am talking about the 100% attendees awardees. And the winners of these categories are, to begin with, we have Agamjot Kaur from 3rd Aster, Adit Behel from 3rd Aster, Naman Sood from 3rd Aster, Ansh Kumar from 3rd Bluebell, Harshdeep Singh from 3rd Bluebell, Prabnoor Kaur from 3rd Bluebell, Mishti Katyal from 3rd Carnation, Niharika Sukhija from 3rd Carnation, Priyanshi Bhalla from 3rd Carnation, Samad Soni from 3rd Carnation, Swaksh Vij from 3rd Carnation, Ayman Mangi from 3rd Daffodil, Satvik Bhatia from 3rd Daffodil, Tsunami Kumari from 3rd Daffodil, Tanisha Gandhi from 3rd Daffodil, Anshnoor Kaur from 3rd Erica, Ekam Jain from 3rd Frisia, Prabgun Kaur from 3rd, Hasirat Kaur from 4th Aster, Inayat Arora from 4th Aster, Japleen Kaur Gill from 4th Aster, Shravan Kumar from 4th Aster, Ojas Thakur from 4th Aster, Prabjot Kaur from 4th Aster, Yashvi Sharma from 4th Bluebell, Arshia from 4th Bluebell, Archana Bhanot from 4th Carnation, Vanisha from 4th Carnation, Angel Khurana from 4th Carnation, Jayant Singla from 4th Carnation, Ekam Kaur from 4th Daffodil, Gunreet Kaur from 4th Daffodil, Kanish Kalra from 4th Daffodil, Rudra Kapoor from 4th Daffodil, Gorika from 4th Erica, Sukhveer Singh from 4th Erica, and last but not the least, Jia Riyad from 4th Frisia. Well done, kids, and well done. So congratulations to the parents especially. Yes, dear parents, you should read books like you take medicine by advice and not by advertisements. Yes, dear parents, our next set of awards are for the awards for the Ruskin Bond. And under this category, we see the reading ability, the pronunciation, the fluency, the reading memory, and the retention of the child. And the winners of this category are, and dear parents, these awards are for the session 2021, the present session that is going on. So our first awardee is Pragnur Kaur of 4th Aster, Bihan Segal from 4th Aster, Nitnur Kaur from 4th Bluebell, Prabgun Kaur from 4th Carnation, Harshia from 4th Daffodil, Jivesha Goel from 4th Erica, Vani Agarwal from 4th Frisia. Now we have our present class 5 children. Gurbani Sani from 4th Geranium. Now from class 5, Anchit Gupta from 5 Aster, Palash Bhardwaj from 5 Bluebell, Namish Verma from 5 Carnation, Shaurya Bhamri from 5th Daffodil, Ridhaman Kaur Pama from 5 Erica, and last but not the least, Shivam Garg from 5th Frisia. Congratulations to all our little Ruskin Bonds. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, our next set of awards goes for the young Picasso. Painting is another way of keeping a diary. If you could say it in words, there would be no reason to paint. We at DCM not only aim to impart the most comprehensive quality education to the young minds, but also inspire them to be the next Leonardo da Vinci and the Pablo Picasso. So under this category, we see the creativity and the originality, the drawing strokes, the neatness, and the presentation. So the winners of this category are, from 4th Aster, we have Sana Vadhavan. From 4th Bluebell, we have Avni Gupta. From 4th Carnation, we have Inayat Mittal. From 4th Carnation, we have Tanisha Gandhi. From 4th Daffodil, we have Riza. From 4th Erica, we have Yatharth Bansal. From 4th Frisia, we have Kashvi Gupta. From 4th Frisia, again we have Kirat Preet Kaur. From 4th Frisia, Nimrat Kaur. From 4th Geranium, we have Khushbu Sachdeva. From 4th Geranium, we have Trigun Preet Singh. Now the students from class 5. From 5 Aster, we have Pragjot Kaur. From 5 Bluebell, we have Mansi. From 5 Carnation, Jashan Preet Kaur. From 5 Daffodil, we have Hazel Gupta. From 5 Daffodil again, we have Ekam Kaur. From 5 Erica, we have Avni Garg. From 5 Felicia, we have Jia Riyad. Yes, congratulations to all these kids. Now let's come to our next set of awards. And the last but not the least, the Ramanujan Award. Archana Bhanot, please mute your mic. Thank you so much. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. You must have guessed which is our next set of award. Yes, it is the Ramanujan Award. Under the Ramanujan Award, the categories that we see are: the student has scored 91% to 100% in maths in the first term, maximum usage of academic program, participation in maths activities at the school level, and the performance in Maths Olympiad. And the winners of this category are, to begin with, we have Divyam Aneja from 4th. Thank you very much. And from class 5, we have Ekam Kaur. A huge round of applause for these two children. Congratulations to all the parents and to all the children. And we hope to get more awards like this. Thank you very much, parents. Yes, sir, it's over to you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sonali ma'am, for moderating the entire sequence of the awards, whether they were academic awards or co-scholastic awards. I mean, as I said in the beginning, a plethora of awards and, a long list of students who have gained awards in various categories. So it has been an absolute fabulous, afternoon wherein we have hosted the parents as well as the students of classes 4 and 5, and we have awarded them virtually, even though we have awarded them with the accolades that they have achieved in these 2 sessions. So thank you so much. And before we close today's ceremony, it is absolutely a privilege and an honor for me, Nikhil, the Vice Principal Academics of TCM Presidency School, to accord a formal vote of thanks to everyone who is present for this session today. I especially extend my thanks on behalf of DCM Presidency to all the parents and the students, especially the parents, for taking time out from your schedules and being a part of this virtual award ceremony. Many congratulations to all of you as well as to all the students. Keep up the good work, keep working hard, and strive in life, not just to continue to achieve the awards which you have achieved, but in different categories as well, right? So we want that all of you do become all-rounders in every stream and sphere of life, and we do hope that you continue to achieve all these awards that you have done. Immense thanks to Principal Ma'am, Ms. Rajni Kalra, for being here with us, for being the guiding light to all of us as educators, as well as to all the students as well. And I know that all the students their spirits would have lifted high on account of Principal Ma'am's presence. Thanks to Ms. Sonali Chopra, our lead English teacher, for being the moderator for the awards ceremony and for reciting the entire sequencing of the awards from start till end. And as I said in the beginning, my vote of thanks would be incomplete if I don't include Ms. Shalini Mukherjee, Senior Activity Coordinator, Ms. Sanana Kapoor, the Head E-Initiatives Department, and her entire IT and E-Initiatives team who've made all this possible, consisting of Ms. Rabia, Ms. Manmeet, Ms. Mansi, Ms. Arika, and Ms. Avinash. So thank you so much, everyone. We wish all well, everyone, to have a safe and a prosperous Diwali. Kindly practice a green Diwali. Maintain the COVID-19 protocols as well of social distancing and wearing masks, because even though we do that, I mean, we still can have a fabulous Diwali. So God bless all of you, all the students, your families, and every one of us this festive season. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.